Hi, welcome to Talk Wheels.
In Australia, the 2024 Toyota Fortuner might have mild hybrid technology before or around the same time as the new Prado, which is expected to be released in the middle of next year. Toyota announced in June 2023 that starting in the first half of 2024, specific Hilux UTA models will be equipped with mild hybrid technology. This technology is estimated to reduce fuel consumption by approximately 10% in laboratory tests. It is unclear when the model will be available in Australia, but if approved, it might be sometime in the middle of the year. The local division of the company may choose to refer to vehicles equipped with the mild hybrid system as Toyota Kinetic Assist instead of hybrid, according to a trademark filing uncovered by Drive. This is because mild hybrid technology usually only reduces fuel economy by about 10%, while traditional Toyota hybrid systems can reduce it by 40% to 50%. By reducing the load on the engine and running auxiliary systems on a 48-volt system and a small electric motor generator, the 2.8-liter turbo-diesel 4-cylinder engine that is currently available in the Fortuner and Hilux can improve fuel consumption and emissions. This engine is not directly powered by the wheels. An executive from Toyota's South African division confirmed in May 2023 that the Hilux and Fortuner would be introduced in that market in 2024 with mild hybrid versions. The new Toyota Prado, set to arrive in Australia in the middle of 2024, will include the confirmed mild hybrid technology. The inclusion of the mild hybrid 2.8-liter engine in the most recent iteration of the Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series is an uncertain matter.